Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some quick and easy bee themed Dollar Tree DIYs. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I will be using this new DIY letter board. Now I got this from the Dollar Tree. These little boards have the letters already, so I'm going to just put "Be Kind." I will be making a little bee house. Now I was going to use one of the Dollar Tree eggs, wooden eggs, but I couldn't find one. So instead I will be just making a little egg out of this wooden circle that I already had. Then I'm going to use some of the jute twine and just wrap this little house all around. I will be adding this little house on the corner, and I'm going to make like the little door or the little entrance of this little bee house using a paint mark. To decorate this, I will be using these little beads that I recently found at the Dollar Tree. Look how cute these little beads are. Now, I wasn't sure where to add them. I did add one on this corner by the house, but I do end up switching it later underneath the kind. Now, I'm using these other beads that I found at the Dollar Tree. Look how cute these are. Now, these are black, and I decided to just leave them like that and then add a bow to finish it off. But that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I will be using this hexagon decor sign, which I felt like this was perfect for a bee theme decor sign. I did use my Cricut to cut out the words "Home Sweet Home," and the home part I left it like for the O blank because I do want to add a sunflower here. I was planning of adding a little bead, but the bead I was trying to use, it was too small. So instead I use a little sunflower. These are from the Dollar Tree, but these are from the fall season. To make this more like a bee theme, I did add one of these little beads to the sunflower. Now to decorate this some more, I will be adding, this Dollar Tree ribbon that is a yellow and white buffalo check with a bow. And look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I will be using this wood hexagon stick that I recently found at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to paint it black. Then to decorate this, I'm going to add some of this ribbon, a piece, one at the top and one at the bottom, leaving a blank piece in the center because I will be adding the word believe. I did use my Cricut though to cut the word believe. To decorate this a little more, I'm going to add one of these little beads, and then I'm going to set this on the side and work on the little planter I will be using. And the planter I'm using is this one that I got a while back from Hobby Lobby. I have a lot of these little wooden bead hanger things left over from Dollar Tree signs, so I'm going to use one of these in this little pot. Now I'm going to add some of the, I don't know if it's styrofoam, fluorofoam, sorry, inside this little bucket, and then I'm going to add the stick in here. The last thing I will be doing is just adding some greenery. Then I'm going to decorate this stick with some jute twine and a bow, and that is it. Look how cute this little pot turned out. For my next project, I will be using this decor circle that I got from the Dollar Tree during Christmas. Now, I was going to use this during Valentine, but I ended up not using it. That's why it is red. So I'm going to just paint over it with some black paint marker. Some black paint. Then I'm using this craft bead decor sign that I recently found at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to paint it yellow. I did go with this mace color from the brand Waverly Chalk Paint, but I do end up using some darker yellow because this was too light. I also painted the bee, and where the little body of the bee is, I added a yellow paper to the back. The next thing I will be doing is adding this wood bead hanger to this and then adding a bow. But that is it. Look how adorable this turned out. And that is it for these cute and easy honeybee themed decor signs. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.